Procedure for wearing N95 masks. First, wash your hands before putting on the N95 mask. The N95 mask has a waterproof outer layer that can filter 95% of microorganisms. But make sure you select a size suitable for you and check the mask for any damage or dirt before you put it on. First, make sure the metal strip is on top. Insert one hand through the elastic straps and hold the mask. Then cover the nose and mouth. Make sure the metal strip is above your nose. The mask should cover both the nose and mouth completely. Next, pull the upper strap over the back of the head. The strap should be above the ears. Now pull the lower strap over the head and down to the back of your neck. Then, press the metal strip down over the nose using the fingers of both hands. Check to make sure it fits snugly. Positive pressure test. Gently press on the mask using both hands. Then breathe out deeply. If no air escapes from the mask, it means the mask fits properly. If it leaks air, you should adjust the mask and straps so it fits snugly against the face. Negative pressure test. Gently press on the mask using both hands, then breathe in deeply. The center of the mask will cling to the face. If air comes in from the side of the mask, it means you're not wearing it properly. Then you should adjust the straps and the metal strip so the mask fits snugly against the face. Do not enter any contaminated area until you are satisfied that the mask fitting has passed the test. Remember, if the mask is stained or damaged, change it at once. Another thing, if you need to use the N95 mask again, you can put the mask in a clean paper bag and make a mark on it.